Okay, I want to show you a cool trick on how to get a hem or hem your hoods or hem the bottom of your shirt or anything like that, that creates a kind of a cuff feeling to it, and it finishes very nicely on the inside. And you can use this with your serger. You don't even really have to top stitch it after you're done with it because it finishes so nicely. So this is a hoodie that I made for my daughter, and you see how this hood is finished very nicely. So I'm gonna do a pattern for myself, and I'm gonna show you how to do it. Okay, so the first thing that you want to do is you want to go ahead and sew your hood pieces together. Then after you sew your hood pieces together, then you're going to take that, they want you to hem the front of it, and I want you to go ahead and fold in the amount that they're asking you to hem that fold, because sometimes they want you to make a drawstring area, but this pattern doesn't call for a drawstring area. They just wanted me to fold in at this width. Okay, so now what you're gonna do is you're gonna, after you fold it in, and I suggest that you iron it. Okay, so go ahead and iron that so it keeps the memory. Okay, then what you're gonna do is you're gonna take that, and at the raw edge, you're gonna fold it up to the raw edge. So now it looks like this. Okay, so let me show you again. All I did was take it and fold it back to the raw edge. All right, and it's gonna feel weird doing this the first time, but after you do it the first time, you'll be like, oh yeah, I'm gonna do this every time. Okay, and so then what you're gonna do is you're gonna pin at that fold. Okay, pin at that fold. Don't let it bunch up though. So pin at that fold. You can see that it's folded like that. Okay, you see the fold. All right, and what we're going to do is we're just going to run it through the serger. We're going to try not to cut off anything. So if you want to disengage your knife, that's fine. I usually don't, but even if it cuts off any of it, it'll still be not shown. Okay, so we're going to serge all of this part right here. All right, so if you see, so now as you see, when we turn it back in, it'll just look like this. Okay, so let's go back to the ironing board and let's iron it up, and then we're done. It hemmed, and you can top stitch this down if you like to do that, but really it really doesn't need that because it'll just go right back like how you need it to be. So all we're going to do now is iron it a nice hood that's hemmed. Looks professional, at least in my opinion. It looks clean, let's say. It looks clean inside and out.